Got this playful kitty over there. But I knew it. I knew it. He's falling. He is falling. Sorry, I cannot help him. Your mama needs to move. There you go. There, came back like a G. What are you, Spider-Man? Spider Kitty? Alright, there's more little kitties, but they do not want to come over here yet. What's that? Come on, come over here and eat. You're gonna die if you don't eat. Remember, he looks plenty healthy, so it's okay. And the black kitty looks like he doesn't want to eat. He just wants to chill on top of his mama, or whoever she is to him. Because 2 cats had babies. But I heard there was a 3rd mama who also had kitties, so he has 3 mamas, I guess. But it is what it is. Peace out.